This is a moon cactus. It's a parasite. This is actually two different plants. The red is a moon cactus. It doesn't create chlorophyll on its own, so they get grafted to other plants. This green part on the bottom is actually the stem from a dragon fruit plant, and that's how they grow. They can be grafted onto any cactus. Say we're going to be doing the pads from prickly pear. So we got our prickly pears ready. And cut off the top part so this can root into it, and cut the bottom part off of the growths from the moon cactus and place them on top like that. And these plants will live together. The bottom producing the chlorophyll for the top part of the moon cactus. The moon cactus cannot survive on its own. It needs a host to transfer the sun into nutrients. And that's about it. I'm going to put a rubber band around this to keep it secure until it grows. Keep it in the shade for about 2 weeks. And it'll be ready to go.